Celebrating 15 years of Polo Vivo. Today, I'm taking you behind the design concept of the Volkswagen Polo Vivo Edition 15. Designing a celebration of 15 years meant blending modern precision with South African heritage. The decals were a critical element. I drew direct inspiration from the legendary MK1 Edition Golf, bringing that classic DNA and vehicle outline concept to the Vivo. The front-end architecture had to be bold, with two unique colors only for this limited edition model, namely deep black pearl and crystal ice blue. To understand the present, we look at the past. The transition from the Citi MK1 to the Vivo represents a lineage of local heritage. That signature black and silver theme? That's influenced by my Citi MK1, a car which itself defined a generation. Not every idea makes it to the road. This was one of the early design proposals before we finalized the Edition 15 look. The black style elements, gloss mirrors, a black roof, and matching B and C pillars, was designed to lower the visual center of gravity. For the wheels, we went with a bright machine finish. It provides the perfect high-contrast pop against the darker body elements. The bonnet decal acts as a signature. It's the finishing touch to highlight this isn't just a standard Vivo, it's an Edition 15. Even the rear glass gets a subtle touch, ensuring the design is cohesive from every possible angle. It's about the details you touch. The custom scuff plates welcome the owner to something truly exclusive. At the 2025 VW Indaba, the cars were revealed to give the public the first preview to this limited edition. At South African Automotive Week, the Edition 15 stood as a testament to local design and manufacturing excellence. By the South African Festival of Motoring, the energy was electric. Seeing the design move through a real crowd is the ultimate test. Finally, the design hits the showroom floor, the moment where the vision becomes accessible to the fans. My journey with the Vivo spans 15 years of highlights. It started with the rugged versatility of the Vivo Maxx, the dark, moody aesthetics of the Vivo Storm, to the vibrant launch of the Citi Vivo. Red, yellow, blue, bringing the spirit of the original Citi Golf back to life. The GTS brought a sportier edge, focusing on stripes and a performance-oriented visual language. Then came the evolution. Designing the second-generation Polo Vivo was about maturing the Vivo while keeping its soul. Seeing this new generation take over events like Vivo Nation proved that the love for this car is only growing. The GT remains a personal favorite, sophisticated, fast, and visually sharp. At the Festival of Motoring, we pushed the boundaries even further with the ultimate Vivo GT concept. But seeing the production edition 15 in the mall today? That's a special moment, from sketches and screen to reality. Stay tuned. In future videos, I'll show you how we pushed the limits with the Vivo GT concept design, and a deep dive into the Polo GTI Black Style and MK1 City designs. Thanks.